Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to disable two-factor verification on Zoom. First thing you do is open up your Zoom app. If you're using an app on your laptop, if you're using the web, head over to zoom.us, and then from the home menu is exactly where we are. Look over to the left and then you click on profile and then you scroll down and then you see two-factor verification is on. You want to turn it off, just simply go to the side and turn it off. Put in your password and then click on turn off. It is off. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to turn off two-factor verification on Zoom. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this which we put up every day. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.